Have you ever wondered what it would be like to wander through time? Impossible, right? Well, good for you. Imagine two events happening at the same time for you, but not for your friend who is moving at a different velocity. That is the relativity of simultaneity. An event occurring simultaneously depends on the observer's frame of reference. Just like how you and your friend differently perceive two events simultaneously. What about of having superhuman speed? Like Koro Sensei, who can travel up to Mach 20 speed. In his perspective, time moves so slowly, while in the perspective of his students, he moves very fast. This phenomenon, known as time dilation, means that time slows down for objects in motion relative to those at rest.
Okay!
Wow! Check it out! The Pacific Ocean!
And it's not just time that bends. Space does too. As you approach the speed of light, objects parallel in the direction of motion appear shorter. And that is length contraction. It happens since light travels at the same speed in a vacuum, regardless of the frame of reference. But perhaps the most famous consequence of special relativity of mass-energy equivalence summed up in Einstein's iconic equation, E equals mc squared.
Never forget, petrification may seem like a fantasy, but the foundations of science are rock solid.
It shows that mass and energy are interchangeable. When an object gains energy, its mass increases. In comparison, mass can be converted into energy. Nothing is quite as it seems, no? Truly, reality is stranger than fiction. And as we approach the comic speed limit, the speed of light, the mass increases exponentially, making it nearly impossible to reach this velocity. No matter how fast you go, you can never surpass the cosmic speed limit because the light itself travels at this speed.